What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to complete the Red Ink quest, which falls under faction quests. Delegia, National Delesian Institute. Right over here, Red Ink starts off with us speaking to someone and then checking out 3 victims. This one on the floor over here, we can examine. And when we do, we're met with a whole new game mechanic. What we need to do here is examine each body part using the interaction keys in the bottom left, find the glowing bits and have a close look at them just by rotating your camera until it shines. Then for each body part, we'll have to do it. So here's the left hand, for example. Rotate, you can see some things there. We'll look at it. There you go. Then we'll go for the right hand finally, and we've successfully had a look to see what exactly went wrong here. Once we've had a look at all 3 of these pieces, we'll need to look for a witness, so that's someone standing right nearby. One of them will get to talk to differently to the other ones, so this one over here, but you'll need to have a vision equipped, otherwise they'll just blankly ignore you. So there you go. Then he'll just start yapping to you, we'll talk, and wait for this to finish. Then we'll need to find the murder weapon, which should be on the other side of this building. So from this courtyard we walked into, we'll go straight towards the north, into this section, where all the way down here, we've got this room with a logging axe in it and a sharp dagger. This one we can take. Heading back into the courtyard, we'll go to the opposite corner, heading through the eastern door here. Then heading left in this room, not right, but left towards the north. We can head upstairs, now on the far south side of this upstairs section. Inside of this little hidden away room here, you'll see a note on the little futon thing here we can grab and read. There's also a memory in here we can read, so just make sure you have a lit lantern equipped, which you can then hold out and watch here, but I don't think this is required for the quest. We'll wait for this. From here, we'll head back out this door and up these stairs where we'll find someone we can interrogate with a multiple choice question up here. So we'll head across to him and we'll choose the first option when presented. Then we've got a few options. We'll need to choose lie, and then we'll find a research suspension warning. Once selected, we'll wait for this. Then we've got conflict between scholars, so we'll select that and wait for him to chat. Then we're presented with more options. Once more, we'll choose lie here. Then we'll select murder weapon and wait for this to finish. Now we'll back out of here and we'll need to go somewhere else. So I'm heading towards the next marked location. This one has us outside here. We'll speak to this scholar devotee. We'll wait for it, then choose murder weapon, wait for this. Then we'll choose truth this time. Then once that finishes, we'll back out of here and we've got another spot to go to, capture the culprit, where over here we'll be pulled into another cutscene where we'll speak to someone and then we'll need to chase after someone who's running away here, which should be pretty easy. You'll then tackle them and go through the usual interrogation until eventually you're given an option to tie up. So there we go, we can tie up, pick them up, and take them back. We'll head back towards the courtyard where we were at previously, and in here, another cutscene plays, and this task should be finished off. But yeah, that's it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.